In the world of medicine, the cross symbol has a rich and enduring significance. The origins of the cross symbol in medicine can be traced back to ancient times. It was often associated with healing and protection by cultures across the globe. Today, the cross emblem has become universally recognized as a symbol of healthcare and well-being. There are various types of medical crosses, each with its own meaning. The most well-known is the caduceus, often used in Western medicine, representing balance, healing, and protection. Medical professionals, from doctors to nurses to paramedics, proudly wear the cross emblem as a badge of honor and a symbol of their commitment to saving lives. The cross emblem also graces medical supplies and equipment, indicating their vital role in patient care. Beyond the confines of hospitals, the cross emblem is a beacon of hope during humanitarian medical missions, providing aid to those in need around the world. So, whether seen on a doctor's coat, a first aid kit, or in the midst of a crisis, the cross symbol in medicine stands as a powerful reminder of compassion, healing, and the unyielding dedication of healthcare professionals worldwide. Because when the cross is raised, help is on the way.